Out taking a ride. Trying to get my other knee in shape. The knee I just had surgery on in shape for the next knee replacement coming up on June 11th. Gonna get this other knee replaced, so I'll have 2 brand new knees here pretty soon. Can't wait. 6 months to a year. Hopefully I'll be pain-free and walking fine. Still having quite a bit of pain with this other knee, but I guess that's to be expected. It's only like 2.5 months out, so could be up to a year, I guess, what the doc says. Hopefully not. This is one of my buddy's favorite spots to come when he was still with me. I sure miss that dog. I love Jack, my new dog, don't get me wrong. I love him a lot. He's an awesome dog, but he's not my buddy. Buddy was honestly, I've had dogs all my life. And probably the best dog I've ever had, bar none. Definitely the sweetest dog I ever had. He's hard not to miss. I don't have the random meltdowns like I used to have all the time, but it's still hard. Jack's helping quite a bit, but you know, I'm never going to stop missing him. You know, and the memories, they're painful, you know. Doesn't matter all the good times we had, I miss them, so that shit just never gets easier. But anyway, yeah, back to the old bike Rooney. For a freebie, I can't complain one bit. She's an awesome little old bike. Yeah, just do the job, get my knee in shape anyway. So yeah, I hope you all are having a great day. It's beautiful out again, as usual. Well, it has been lately anyway. Hopefully it doesn't quit. Things are starting to pick up down here in Langley, tourist town. I love this view. Yeah, me and Buddy used to hang out down here quite a bit. And down there at the beach. I don't know if I trust my knee enough to make it down there quite yet. It's quite a little hike, but soon I'll be riding my bike down there and ride it back up that hill. I used to be able to do that. We'll see. Might take a little bit, but that's a goal anyway. All right, y'all. Have a great day, and until the next video, peace.